Good morning, welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. Today we've got a 3 litre Jag in for a VIP kit. This consists of the top pulley, the bottom pulley, the charge cooler, custom map and some air filters. Right, as you can see, we've removed the bonnet, removed the intake pipe and the slam panel. Next thing to do is get the bumper off, get to the charge cooler a lot easier, and we'll go from there. Halfway through the conversion, as you can see, we've just fitted the new charge cooler. Top pulley's on, all that's left is the air filter and the crank pulley. We'll crack on with them now and show you the results after. Right, we've finished the F-Type, fitted the lower pulley, top pulley and charge cooler. All we've got left to do is service it. We're going to strap it down, see what the gains are, and we'll go from there. Power gains are really good. We are up 130 brake horsepower and 80 foot-pound of torque.